Why curry goat?
In Jamaica, the party is not a party without curry goat. That's why. Welcome everyone. My name is Kunji, and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today, we're going to be cooking a Jamaican favorite, curried goat. Curried goat is one of the top 3 things that you would eat in Jamaica. And there's a saying that says, the party is not a party without curried goat. Any roadside party, any birthday party, any party, just whatever it is, a wedding, any function that you're going to in Jamaica, there has to be curried goat. Otherwise, it's not a party. Today, I have some curry spices, just some kosher salt. I got ginger, pepper, garlic, and some potatoes and carrots. Also here, just a whole goat leg. It's not a very big goat, it's a small piece, but we're gonna chop this up. So right now my goat's all chopped up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pressure cook this in the Ninja Foodi for about 20 minutes and kind of get it, a little bit tender for me to start braising that curry in and cooking that down for you guys. I have some curry spices. I'm gonna just put a little bit of curry on it right now to pressure cook it. Get some of this kosher salt in there. And today I have some Reggae Spice jerk seeds called Booyah Jamaican seasoning. So it's not really jerk seasoning per se, but I want to use this as my all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that in there. I can see that this has some allspice berries. It's got some salt. It's got some garlic, onion. So this is got some good stuff in there. I don't see any MSG listed. That's a plus for me. So I decided to give this seasoning a try. I'm gonna do an in-depth review on this in a later video, but before I do the review, I'm gonna try it out. Go ahead and drop this in the pressure cooker. So right now I'm gonna run this in the pressure cooker for a little bit. Have a couple of cups of hot water I'm gonna put to help bring the Ninja up to pressure a little bit. Put my meat right on top there in the tray. So right now the pressure cooker has stopped. It's been going for about 20 minutes. And now I've already vented it. So right now what I'm gonna do, open this, check it out. I'm gonna take the meat out and trying to save some of that juice from the pressure cook and that water. And we're gonna use that to help make that sauce for the curry. So I'm gonna take that curry out now and then see how it looks. This is looking really good, feels really tender. This 25 minutes was just perfect amount of time. So right now my pressure cooking is done. The meat is really good, it's almost at that tender stage. I have the juice straight out of the pressure cooking that I'm gonna use as my base sauce. I have some coconut oil that I'm gonna use right now on the sear saute function. to get all my seasonings together, get that curry nice and burnt, to put on that meat, get that sear going, and then take a look at how I'm putting this curry together. So one method of getting your curry to combine with your meat is to mix it in the oil before you add the meat, because once you stir in that meat with that oil, it coats everything and it more evenly coats the meat than if you had sprinkled the curry on it. So that's why I lightly season the meat, but then when I'm ready to add all my spices in, I put it in with the oil. To cover the Ninja Foodi is just a regular pan cover that I have in here. Just find one that fits in your house if you're using the Ninja Foodi for that sear saute, because you can't use the pressure cooker lid and you can't use this lid. So right now my goat has been simmering for a while. Still have it on that sear saute function. I've turned it down to medium heat because it's starting to move a little too fast. But now I'm just gonna add my veggies and my seasonings in and let that simmer down until everything's cooked. Stir it in real good. So right now the curry goat is all done. Traditionally, curry goat is served with just plain white rice, and that's what I have here. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and then subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'll do this taste test. Country's my first time having Country's, home cooked curry goat. So normally I don't. Goat's not something I normally like to eat, but hey, we're gonna give this a shot. It's home cooked, so here we go. Piece of this over here. Oh, it's not how I remember it. This tastes way better than goat I've had previously. Wow. This is really good. The flavor is really tender. Basically falling off, the little bit of bone that is here. The flavor is Country likes cooked with some spice. I love flavor, love spice. Have some spice to it, nice little kick. Seasonings are perfect.